Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to accept Among Us friend request. To accept a friend request in Among Us, first of all, launch the game open on your device and on the main screen, go ahead and look if there is a friend request for you. Whenever you receive a friend request, it will be shown as new request at the top of the screen. Simply tap on that if you have any. And then click on the request that has been sent to you, which is usually highlighted in red. Since I received a new request, it is showing me one new request. Simply tap on that and then you will see the request tab where you will need to accept the person as your friend in order to add them to your friend list. If you want to accept the request, simply tap on the green plus button right next to the username of your request. And right after that, you can then go ahead and get to your friend list where you will see your new friend added to your friend list. And that's it. The player will now be added to your friend list and you can invite them to your games or join theirs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.